Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Explorer grille. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off and the hood open. You'll need a few basic tools, like a flathead screwdriver and a 10 mm socket. Begin by identifying the plastic push pins that secure the top of the grille. These are usually visible right under the hood's edge. Now, let's tackle those upper fasteners. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry up the center pin of each plastic push pin. Once the center is slightly raised, you can then pull out the entire pin. Repeat this process for all the push pins you see along the top edge of the grille, setting them aside in a safe place. Next, we'll move to the lower section of the grille. Look for any 10 mm bolts or screws that might be holding the bottom edge in place. Use your 10 mm socket wrench to carefully remove these. After the bolts are out, gently pull the grille forward from the bottom. It should release from any remaining clips with a firm but controlled tug. With all the fasteners and clips released, you can now carefully pull the entire grille straight out from the front of your Ford Explorer. Take a moment to inspect the mounting points on both the grille and the vehicle for any damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and bolts are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.